All right, if you're dealing with a difficult situation at home or in the workplace, sometimes you just need a little advice, maybe a lot of advice. Answer your questions for today's Tuesday Tips of Success. We have relationship expert Dr. Patty Ann Tublin. You ready for the first question?
Bring it on.
All right, here we go. It's from Sam in Milford. Question is, the VP of my department is a really smart guy, and I get along with him well enough. The problem is most of the other people in my department can't stand him. They find him to be rude, arrogant, and insensitive. Should I try to help him or mind my own business? What do you think?
Well, thank you, Sam, for this question, and it's a tough one. So here's my comment,
Okay.
my advice. The answer to this one is it depends, okay? You could be a nice guy and bring it to your boss's attention if you know he's open to constructive criticism, and we have no way of knowing that.
Right. It kind
What
of
do you
depends on
think?
your relationship with your boss.
Your relationship with your boss and who your boss is independent of you. Some people are open to criticism, some people aren't. So if you know for a fact that he's okay with that, you could say something. However, what you would want to do is couch it within the cultural values of your company. Like, maybe he's not the best cultural fit at the moment because he's new, he came in from the outside, and find a way to let him know that we value kindness here, not just talent and brains. However, really my suggestion is, unless you know for sure that your boss is open to this, I would mind my own business, because sometimes no good deed goes unpunished.
I agree with you. I think that if you don't have a relationship where you can actually approach your boss about something like this, I would definitely stay out of that. I have, though, in the past walked into an office and say, okay, take off the boss hat, and I'm going to take off my employee hat. This is a friend talking to a friend, and they'll look at me, they'll say, okay, I get what I'm trying to say, because I want to approach them with something that I want them to really think about.
Well, it depends upon the corporate environment, right? Because in some companies, it is very clear that they are your colleagues, your superiors, your subordinates, and they are not your friends.
Right.
So you really have to know the environment in which you work in, which also suggests, listen, you could also go to HR and bring it to their attention. However, I'd be really careful about that, because I don't know, things are supposed to be confidential, but really are they? You know what? The company really needs to look at who they're hiring and make sure they're a cultural fit. It's not your responsibility.
Absolutely.
Bottom line.
Okay.